Mrs. Fish and her daughter Faye are swimming in the sea. The water is clear and warm.
Can I swim around, Mom?
Faye asks her mom.
Yes, of course.
Mrs. Fish answers. So, Faye swims on and on until she meets a seal. Faye thinks that the seal is fat and ugly.
Hello, Fat.
Faye says to the seal.
Hello, little.
Says the seal. Faye is very sad. She starts to cry and goes back to her mother.
Oh, Mother,
She says,
that fat and ugly seal is not kind at all. He says I'm little of all things. I'm not little, right? Look, I have got a tail.
That's strange.
Mrs. Fish says.
Let's go and ask the seal.
So Mrs. Fish and her daughter go to the seal.
Good morning, Mr. Seal.
Says Mrs. Fish.
Good morning, Mrs. Fish.
Says Mr. Seal.
Tell me, Mr. Seal, why do you call my daughter little?
She calls me fat, so I call her little.
We should be kind to people so that people are kind to us.